Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to duplicate page in CorelDraw and how you can resize the current duplicate page. This is all about page management and page settings and layout in CorelDraw. Let me show you how. The very first thing, let's say for instance, I have about current page right here. Okay, the first page with different size, the second page with different size, and I want to duplicate this particular second page right here. What we want to do here is to simply go ahead and click on this icon right here. Then we go ahead and we make sure we click on duplicate page. So once you click on duplicate page, then you have these options right here. Now page 2, duplicate. Insert new page before selected page or after selected page. However, you can make it as a new document. So if you choose before selected page, it means that it's going to be in the front. So if I choose the first selected page right here, then copy layers only, copy layers and their content. So if it is a page that has a current content, everything in that page is going to be copied. Like for instance, if I decide to make some text right here and I decide to type in something right here and how to duplicate pages, okay, and I decide to give some little format right here, increase the font size, then I change the text alignment to center right here, then I press enter to centralize. So I want this page to be duplicated alongside with the content so that we don't mess up with the content we have in the page. How do we do that? Come back right there, click on this icon right here, go ahead and click on duplicate page. Then here you have these options. If you want to duplicate the page before selected page or after the page, so I want it to be before selected page. So go ahead and click on copy layers and their content, hit on OK. Then once you hit on OK, it's going to be completely duplicated into the before right here. So we have it this way. You can see if it is more than the content you have in this page here, everything will be copied and successfully duplicated into a new page. One great thing here is that if you want to change the layout settings of your current duplicate page, you can change the layout settings right here. How do you do that? First thing first, go ahead and come to the home tab right here. Click on this particular icon right here, which means current page. Apply the page size to the current page. So once you click on that, then you can come here and decide to change to whatever size of your choice. Okay, so like for instance, I can decide to make this 15 and hit enter. So you can see it expand the page right here. If I come back to the page 3, I maintain the current size of the original page, while the duplicate one here has been expanded a little bit. You can go on and work with your page settings and layout in CorelDraw with this. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about page layout and page settings in CorelDraw, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.